Hello peoples, welcome to the channel. Such a big cake. I think my collection are growing. I think my girlfriend's really upset. Don't care. So hope everybody's doing good out there in the world of core life. A couple things today. Where's my keys? I do have my keys. So today, sorry about the music in the background because my neighbors, which I cannot control. But a couple things I'm actually excited about. First things first. Still working on my, what is this thing called? My fall lights. Excuse me. I hear the lights. Oh man. So let's see if I get better lighting. There we go. Perfect lighting. Ooh. So instead of me buying these that cost between, I guess, $100 something up to $200, I decided to repaint them. The lenses I am still working on. I don't have a machinery like I usually do, but I usually do. I don't have machinery at all, so I'm using a little rotary tool to cut it out. But so far, did the inside, which all for me, which was cool. Stripped it down, repainted. I'm about to go in the car, but it's too damn hot. Repainted, and so that just how it looks. The frame is up there hanging up. Goes over the lenses. I'm gonna show you the lenses actually. My neighbors walking out today. I swear to God. Oh my God. So, old lenses. Oh la la la. Old lenses. New lenses. Still working on this. I don't have a big machine to cut it out ASAP real quick. Nope, don't have it. And the other thing, I think I said this about, I'm gonna walk around because it's too loud in this damn neighbor. Nothing I can control. People are super laughing. All right, so I'm gonna take you on a nice little walk. So yes, so I am. Those two things I have to get finished, hopefully by the weekend. That's number one. So number two, I think I explained this in a couple of my videos. A couple of my videos, moments about getting a sponsor. And I hesitated and thought about it, blah, blah, blah. So finally I did get one, and I'm gonna say this, the reason why I decided to do a sponsor, you know, there's always benefits with it. The good thing about the sponsor is I didn't have to pay it like it was a membership, which is super cool. So I'm super excited to, I was actually super excited. He was like, sure, you're accepted. And I was happy about it because I had a sponsor years ago when I started getting into the card game, and it didn't really work out per se. Of course, you gotta buy into it. Some of them you do, and some of them you don't. This one particular one, I just took a chance on it and say go on my gut in instant, and actually DM them through Instagram. And I was like, hey, are you doing sponsorships? Sure. Go on our website. Boom, 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 boom. Go on our website. Hey, we accept you. Cool. And I looked forward to it because a lot of these sponsorships will, you never know. It opens one door, open to another door, and leads open to something else big. And that's the way I look at it. And so I have an O2 TL, and it's not too many parts I have. That's for my cars. I looked around, like say for like performance wise, it is, but I feel like I got something on my face. Sorry. So, say for instance, if I wanted to get a turbocharged, I probably can. It's an arm and leg, but if you have a sponsor, at least you get half of that, or you might have to pay fully. Depends on the sponsors. But anyway, I decided to do it because I think for this year of this car, a lot of cars are starting to come out, and I'm super excited because I'm like, every time I go on Instagram or YouTube, I end up seeing a lot of, especially with this car, the O2 section. I feel like it got a little bad rap in the beginning because how it was made and all that stuff, due to the fact of the like transmission. But you can always replace the transmission in any car. Excuse me. In any car, but I think to me this one's I like this one because it's comfortable for me. And that's the reason why I think I feel like a car coming behind me. It is. And who is it? Yep. I don't know where they are. Sorry, scroll. You know, they got a bad rap in the beginning, but it is what it is with the cars. I just feel like I just need to I just needed to go my instance, number one. Number two, you know, just get myself out there. And then I actually did, I did get a vinyl sticker from one particular place. It came out good, but their communication sucks. But I'm not gonna say who it is because I don't want to blast them off like that. But yeah, the vinyl sticker, my vinyl sticker that I ordered, it did came out, and I'm getting it, and I actually do like it. But there is another shop around my area. Or again, hey, if you're a sponsor, I would like to have some stickers in my car. I might get 10 horsepower per sticker. That's the old joke of saying. No, all jokes aside, but I think with this car I could put a little bit more effort. I've been getting things done while I can before the weather changed, because in Connecticut when the weather starts changing, it's harder to do anything. Last year it started snowing, I couldn't work on my car. This year I did a bit better to get it done and out the way. I'm just sorry, scrolling. I'm doing a squirrel. What? What else going on? So yes, I will be putting up on my social media who is my sponsor, and I appreciate them. I do actually. You know, no, I'll just go with my car and I'll show you at the car because it come out better. I don't know who to say you even had. No. No. Huh? Nope. No worries. No worries. She asked me if I was recording her. No, I'm recording myself. I look beautiful recording myself. What am I about to say? Yeah, I wait till you leave because people feel some type of way. But anyway, yes. Scroll. So you just made me lost my train of thoughts. But anyway, back what I was saying. So yes, I think because I need to do what I need to do with this car, that's what it was. That's what I need to do with the car. Do what I need to do with this car during the springtime, because Connecticut. That's what I was at before the thing interrupted me. Yeah, the weather changed up real quick up here, so you know, the more pieces I get done to the car, the quicker I can get it done, and I do appreciate it because you know the car. I don't have to worry about no stupid car payment, just insurance. Ooh. Speaking of insurance, I gotta call them. Yeah, that's light. That's yeah, that's some thunder right now. All right, so here, let's go to my car. Here is my yeah, it's thunder. Here's a sponsorship. I'm walking to my car. So here's actually my sponsorship and my tag. Ooh, Mishimoto. I appreciate them. I really do. Once you decided to do, yeah, look, my little, and I got it up there too. Little. Once I got a grab bag from them. When I order a part, actually I have a part that I need to put in because I ordered from them. I might have to do it this week or this weekend. I don't know. So yes, Mishimoto, I appreciate you. Thank you for accepting me in my car. I look like it's about to pour because I gotta go do some run around. But yes, Mishimoto is a sponsor to my car, me and my car, and you know, just to have an opportunity to have a company like that, just to, you know, say hey, and they doing a lot of big stuff. Around this time, I know people around this time, a lot of sponsors don't want to take in, which I get it. Never a dull moment around, I swear to God. Opportunity to try to get it out, but these people will just interrupt me. But again, never a dull moment. I appreciate it because it's an opportunity for me to open that door and put my foot on the gas and be like, you got it. So on that note, I just want to say to people that is thinking about sponsorship, go for it now, because when they do it next year, they might not open it. They might not have enough opening. But for me, I'm fortunate enough to rock out with Mishimoto, which is super cool. Again, I appreciate them for being my sponsor. They told me I gotta show them a video and stickers and all that stuff. I sure will. What else are we on? Yes, I have a part that I need to put in that I had to order for this car. They don't make too much stuff in my car, but if I call them, talk to them, we will make it happen. I will thank you again for watching. Appreciate it. Peace.